right down from us was this awesome Jeep. They pushed it out of the trailer, and I was like, this thing's awesome. And it looks like it is probably the world's fastest Jeep. It's still got, do the doors really still slide?
Sure do.
What? That thing has got to be a handful. Y'all wait till y'all see this thing make a pass. Tell us a little bit about yourself and about the Jeep.
I'm from Salisbury, Maryland, a couple of miles away from Ocean City. I started with a 79 Camaro subframe. Everything else I built. The only thing I haven't built on it is the transmission. I did the motor, cage, everything.
Dude, this is awesome. And you got a cool name on it. Junk Mail. You got a Facebook page.
Yep. Fisher Motorsports.
Fisher Motorsports. And I'm trying to talk him into starting a YouTube channel as well, because he's got some other cool builds that he's going to be doing. So, but check this thing out. What's the wheelbase on it?
It's 88 inches.
88 inches. Oh my goodness. This thing is freaking unbelievable. And there's another Jeep from up there, and I think this one is a little faster. Wait till y'all see the passes this thing makes. How big is the motor?
It's a 632.
It's a 632. Wow. And he just turned the spray on for the first pass ever.
Yep.
So this thing is unbelievably quick. What kind of transmission's in it?
It's power glide. The rear's 373 rear gear.
373 rear gear.
We had 430s in it. Kept doing wheelies, so we switched gears out.
So it was doing wheelies?
Yeah.
God. What year is the body?
It's 73 body. 73 Postal Jeep. I got the body from a guy in Shenandoah, Virginia, and I did everything else to it.
Dude, this thing is unbelievable.
Thank you.
You have done an amazing job. This is a one-of-a-kind vehicle, and it's got to be... Can I open this door?
No, it's locked.
Oh, that one's locked. Oh, it didn't even look. It didn't even locks. 9-inch rear end.
It's a 490, yeah.
Can I show up under the bottom?
Yeah, you can.
Is that a 4-link?
Yep.
Dude, this is freaking crazy. So the back, you can see the back wheels are tucked way up under there in relation to the front wheels. He's getting used to it. He's had it together for about 7 weeks now. And this thing is unbelievably fast. Right now we're running Carolina No Time, so he cannot share times with it, but he said he'll probably be sharing times soon, possibly.
Probably next year sometime, maybe.
Next year. So this thing's awesome. All right, dude. Well, congratulations. You built a hell of a car. I love it. Awesome, awesome, awesome.